I'll be walking you through on how to create a budget. To get started, navigate to the budget screen and click the Add Budget button. You'll be prompted to select a budget type. We have several options, including department, human resources, operations, and events. For this tutorial, let's choose department. You will need to enter budget title, set a budget limit, authorize a team member, a start date, and an expiring date. You enter description, and then you click the continue button to proceed. Here is the review. This is a departmental budget type, the title, the limit, the authorized team member, start date, expiry date, and description. And there it is. The budget has been created. Here it is. Thank you.